Hi, this is Chris Myers with the Orlando Property Group, Orlando's premier short sale team. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about Nationstar Mortgage today and short sales with Nationstar specifically. But just to reiterate, short sales are not all we do. Doing over 350 short sales in the past 5 years has helped us build a big team, over 10 team members around our business, to where we have many competent specialists on the team, and now it's able to help us do traditional sales at a much higher level than the average agent out there in the field, because we have a complete marketing department where we are marketing our clients' properties very aggressively. We do professional photography, professional video tours of our property. We have a professional stager come out and consult you about your listing, about your home. And we want to help you sell that property as quickly as possible and for top dollar. And by being such aggressive marketers, our record stands for itself, where our average list to sell price ratio is 7% higher than the average agent. So we're going to put 7% more money in your pocket than the average agent, and we'll sell it in 30 days faster. So we would love to chat with you no matter your situation, whether you're a traditional home seller and you have equity, or whether you are underwater and need to do a short sale. If you're wondering if a short sale is necessary, please visit our short sale calculator by going to orlandoshort.com. Up in the upper right hand corner, you'll see the link to our calculator, and it'll let you know how far underwater you are, what the current value of your home is, and how long you can anticipate having to wait until it's back at a break-even point. So we're happy to provide all that information to you, and then we'll reach out to make sure you don't have any other questions. So feel free to contact us. Now, about Nationstar, a little bit about their process. So back in the past, it was Aurora, and they transitioned all their files to Nationstar. So things got very good when they went to Nationstar initially, where Aurora was slow, Nationstar was much more quick at processing files. Well, then I think somehow they got overwhelmed, and the process, it really bogged down. It wasn't that great of a process. Took a long time. Well, now things have improved once again to where Nationstar is processing files very well. We're getting the deficiencies waived, so we're getting you total debt forgiveness on your Nationstar short sale. And we're always working to make sure we do everything we can to put money in your pocket once a short sale closes as well, by getting you qualified for any and every incentive program that is offered out there that you may be eligible for. So we'd love to discuss your situation in more detail with you, as every situation is unique. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Please contact us. Our information is at the bottom of this video, as well as on our website, orlandoshort.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day. We look forward to speaking with you soon.